Visit Virtual Pag-ibig and enjoy Pag-ibig Fan Services anytime and anywhere. Yes, friends, no need na magpunta ka sa Pag-ibig branch and enjoy their Pag-ibig Fan Services. Pwede na po online. Pasok kayo sa Virtual Pag-ibig po and magpa-register kayo and enjoy services 24/7. Ito po, number one, you can get your permanent Pag-ibig membership ID or MID number. Number two, you can open an MP2 savings account. Number three, you can pay your loan and Pag-ibig contributions. Number four, you can apply Pag-ibig MPL. Number six, of course, you can view your Pag-ibig MP2 and dividends. Number seven, you can view your Pag-ibig MPL records. Number eight, you can view your Pag-ibig housing loan records. Number nine, you can read latest news about Pag-ibig. And number 10, you can chat a lingkod Pag-ibig representative. So, pwede kayo magtanong about Pag-ibig, concerns, and issues. Alright? Keep watching my channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.